Gel nail kit available at Amazon.com, link is in the description below.
Hi guys, I started doing my own nails with acrylic powder at home back in April of this year. I find it's less expensive for me and saves me money. I do have some tips that I need to add to a couple of my nails. I prepare my nails to put the tips on, add the glue and glue the tips on, and now I'm shaping my nails and filing them in order to make sure they're the shape that I want them before I put the new acrylic on. And here I am filing some of the old acrylic off that's down around my cuticles and preparing my cuticles to be able to apply the new. Here I'm applying the primer around my cuticles. Now I am filling my nails in with the acrylic. I am using a number 8 brush. The brushes that I know that I have are number 8, number 10, number 12, three different sizes. I've only used the number 8 brush. I don't know if anybody else has used the number 10 or 12. I might try that the next time. Here I am filing my nails, shaping them, and filing off the extra acrylic around the sides of my nails and around the top part of my cuticle. Now here I am sanding the nails down, getting the extra acrylic off and making sure I'm shaping my nails around my cuticles so that the acrylic doesn't stay on my cuticles and damage them. I'm also making sure that any acrylic that's underneath my nails, I'm sanding under there to get any excess acrylic out from underneath my nails there. And after this step, I will be ready to polish my nails. Thank you for watching, and I hope you've enjoyed the video, and I will see you next time.